Welcome to midpoint and distance between 2 points. So firstly, the midpoint is the halfway between two endpoints. So it's like the middle. The distance is the length of the line segment between 2 points. And we could do this using Pythagoras, but we're going to have a look at a formula. So once again, midpoint, so that's the middle of 2 points. So we could find the average of the two x values or the average of the two y values. And we do that using a formula. So you add the two x values and divide by 2, and add the two y values and divide by 2. That's how you find the midpoint, or the middle of 2 points. The distance between 2 points can be found using Pythagoras or the formula d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Notice this is Pythagoras, because Pythagoras is d squared, and then you take the square root in the end. And the distance between 2 points, two x values, is just subtracting them. And Pythagoras says you square them and then add the square of the other. So here's our first example. Find the exact distance between the following points. So in this case, we may end up leaving our answer in surd form or simplifying a surd, but we'll have a look at this. So the first one is 0, 3 and 4, 6. So using our formula, so the distance is 4 minus 0 squared plus 6 minus 3 squared. That gets you 4 squared plus 3 squared. That's a square root of 25, and this is actually an exact answer, which is a distance of 5. Between these 2 points, so if we do 6 minus 2 and we square that, plus minus 3 minus 4 all squared, that gets us 8 squared plus minus 7 squared. Remember, when you enter it in a calculator, to put the minus 7 in brackets when squaring it, and leave the square root out, and then put the square root back in when you're calculating it. So it's a square root of 113 as an exact. Now one with a midpoint. We're going to find the midpoint of between 3, 1 and minus 4, 11. So using our formula, add the x values, so 3 plus minus 4 over 2. Add the y values, 1 plus 11 all over 2. Calculate each, and you get the midpoint is minus a half, 6. And if we have a look at those, the middle of 3 and minus 4 is minus a half, and the middle of 1 and 11 is 6. Thank you.